Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change a parent category in WordPress. We'll move marketing out from under business and put it under technology. I'm on the login page now, so I'll type my username and password. Now I'll click login. Once the dashboard loads, look at the left menu, hover over posts and click categories. That opens the category list. Business sits at the top level and marketing is indented underneath it. That indent is WordPress showing you that business is the parent and marketing is the child. The parent just controls where the category sits in this hierarchy. Now hover over marketing and click edit. The category edit screen opens. At the top you'll see the name field and right below it the slug field. I'm not touching either one because changing the slug would change the category URL, and that's a separate job. Most people click into the slug and ruin a URL by accident, so leave it alone. Scroll down a little, there's the parent category dropdown. It currently says business. I'll open it. The list shows every existing category arranged by hierarchy, with none at the top. I want technology, so I select that. The dropdown now shows technology. If the parent you want isn't in this dropdown, that means it doesn't exist yet. You'd go to Posts, then Categories, then Add New Category, create that parent, and come back. Now scroll down to the Update button and click it. WordPress saves the change and sends me back to the category list. Look right here. Marketing is now indented under Technology instead of Business. That's the entire parent change. If you'd rather make a category top level, the same dropdown has a None option. I'll show that with Sales. Hover over Sales, click Edit, open Parent Category, select None, and click Update. Back on the list, Sales now sits at the top level with no indent. That's the quick way to flatten a category. Now let's say you're building from scratch. Go to Posts, then Categories, then Add New Category. There's the same parent category dropdown right on the new category screen. If I'm creating a child category under Technology, I type the name here, select Technology from this dropdown, and then click Add New Category. Same field, just on the creation screen instead of the edit screen. Next thing people worry about is whether their posts moved. Go back to Posts in the left menu and click All Posts. At the top of the post list, use the category filter, pick Marketing, and click Filter. The posts that show up are the ones already assigned to Marketing. The parent change didn't remove any of them because posts stay assigned to the category itself, not to the parent. If I open one of these posts, the Categories panel still shows Marketing checked. Now let's check the actual site. I'll open my site in a new tab and go to the Marketing category page. If your theme shows breadcrumbs, they should now read Technology, then Marketing. Some themes don't display hierarchy on the front end at all, and that's fine. The back-end relationship is still correct, even if the page only says Marketing. While I'm here, the browser address is the one thing to watch. If your permalinks include the parent category, this page URL changed from business/marketing to technology/marketing. Let me show you where that comes from. Back in the dashboard, go to Settings, then Permalinks. Look for the category base field. If it's set to category, then a parent category shows up in the address. If the old URL was already indexed or shared, set up a redirect before you move a live category. I'd do that first on a real site. Then scroll it. Back in the dashboard, go to Appearance and click Menus. Open the menu that contains your category list. Changing the parent category does not automatically reorder this menu. If marketing needs to appear under Technology in the navigation, you drag it into place right here. Block themes put this same thing under Appearance, Editor, and Navigation. One more place that displays categories is a sidebar or footer block. Go to Appearance and click Widgets. If you have a Categories block, click it and look for the Show Hierarchy toggle. Turn that on if you want visitors to see the parent-child structure. Without that toggle, the front end just shows a flat list, which can make the move look like it didn't work. While we're talking about organization, go to Posts and click Tags. This screen looks similar, but there's no parent dropdown anywhere. Tags are flat. If you need hierarchy, categories are the one to use. I keep categories for broad site sections and tags for specific topics inside a post. Now that you've done the long way once, here's the faster route for future changes. Go back to Posts, then Categories. Hover over any category and click Quick Edit. The small panel that opens has the same parent dropdown. Choose the new parent and click Update. Same result, fewer clicks. And if you move a category and change your mind, undo it the same way. Edit, set the parent back, and update. Nothing gets deleted. On this list, there's still only one Marketing. Don't create a duplicate to get a new parent. That splits your posts and makes the category list harder to manage. Keep the hierarchy simple. 2 or 3 levels is enough for most sites. Deep nesting makes menus and breadcrumbs harder to use. If this helped, click like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.